Warm greetings to all. All of us know that in corneal blindness, the only way sight can be restored is by corneal transplantation. When one person donates eyes, we all know that two people are benefited because one cornea is used for one patient and the other cornea for another. The new message is one cornea itself can be divided into two and can be used up for two patients. The superficial part is used up for patients who have a superficial scar or problems like keratoconus and stromal dystrophies, and the deep part, the Descemet's membrane with the endothelium, is used up for another patient who has an endothelial disease or damage. Hence, one cornea is divided into two and the superficial part is used for deep anterior lamellar keratoplasty and the deep part, Descemet's membrane with the endothelium, is used up for Descemet's membrane endothelial keratoplasty. Hence, when one person donates his eyes, 4 people can be benefited in special situations. There are times when tissues are not so good. A tissue may have a damage on the superficial part. We call it exposure keratitis. These tissues will have a good endothelial count and endothelial health. So the inner part can be used up. Likewise, there are some tissues where the superficial part will be very good, whereas the endothelial part will be damaged or endothelial count will be very poor. These eyes can still be used for DALK procedure. Hence, this helps in saving corneas in a time when there is a great demand for tissues. This is called corneal conservation. At Jyoti Eye Care Center, we have these advanced procedures and we were the first to start them in Puducherry, by which one eye donor can help 4 people see in special situations. Thank you.